This week on Fast Track, Purdue professors and researchers may soon make life for everyone wireless, what the EPICS program is doing for Haiti, and the soybean and corn competition coming up next on Fast Track.
The house of the future may boast wireless capabilities for all electronics, thanks to a team of Purdue researchers and professors. Joey Beard gives us a glimpse into what life would be like without any strings attached.
Deep inside the sub-basement of the Materials Sciences and Electrical Engineering building lies work from doctors Minghao Chi and Andrew Weiner that strives to make everyday life literally less tangled.
Simply speaking, we are building the CPU and the wireless system for the next 20 years.
The innovative research features ultra-fast laser pulses. The silicon micro-ring resonators convert the laser into frequencies that can be used by a central device that can be as small as a computer chip. Hao Shin helped shed some light on how companies such as IBM and Intel are becoming more interested in this groundbreaking research.
The company, they also have a big team working on this. And sometimes it depends like if the company want to buy it or not, or they want to do it by themselves. From now, I will say probably they are not at that stage to buy some starting up technologies like what is derived from the university.
Shin said that while companies may not be willing to buy yet, they will certainly be interested in the studies made by Purdue in the near future.
When is a good question because for our scientists, so pretty much this work is done and we are pursuing for, our fundings is pursuing for some prototype demonstration.
For Fast Track News, I'm Joey Beard.
The recent tragedies in Haiti have inspired many campus groups to come together to help the devastated country. EPICS and Habitat for Humanity are no exception. The two organizations have teamed up to provide disaster-resistant homes to Haiti. Sarah Wagner and Paul Sliker have the story.
EPICS has been working for the past 5 semesters to help build low-cost disaster-resistant homes. Prior to the earthquake in January, the focus was on hurricanes and flooding. Now they have added earthquakes and landslides to the mix. EPICS is partnering with Habitat for Humanity to provide relief and support to Haiti. We spoke with Peter Brinson, the project leader for disaster relief, to find out more about Habitat's role in the project.
We are actually working with Doug Taylor, who's the executive director of Habitat for Humanity Lafayette, and he's in contact with Claude Jude, who's the national director of Habitat for Humanity in Haiti, quite often, and so he goes down there, I believe, once or twice a year, and actually works with him and works in Haiti, building houses. And so we mainly focus and talk with Doug Taylor and ask him any questions we may have about the project or the different constraints we're under, things of this nature.
Last week, the team presented their project design in front of a review panel. Several members of the team introduced different aspects of the project and its potential benefits to Haiti. Peter shares with us the rewards of being part of the disaster relief.
The most rewarding part of the process is actually, looking at what happened in Haiti and thinking, what if our project, eventually saves lives because it gives the inhabitants more time to get out of the home, or, building better structures so that we don't take all the resources away from Haiti. We try to build up as many resources as possible. So just kind of rebuilding, not only entire people, but a faith.
Purdue students put their heads together to come up with the newest uses of soybeans and corn in the annual product innovation competition. Eric Cerule takes us to the awards banquet where winning teams and their products were recently announced.
Meet your fellow Boilermakers.
I'm a sophomore in biomedical engineering.
I'm a sophomore in actuarial science.
These may be the next researchers, scientists, and inventors.
We were just looking for a product that we saw that could make an impact.
Their task, to pair up into individual teams to create and market never-before-seen products using soybeans and corn. 8 separate teams in both soybean and corn categories showed off their skills for spectators on March 9, 2010. Some of the products on display: corn-based biodegradable dryer sheets that dissolve away when used, coffee stirrers made from corn that spice up more than just coffee, a corn stovetop protector, and corn peelable paint. And yes, even flooring tiles made out of, you guessed it, corn. And that team brought home the top prize in this year's corn competition.
We were elated. I don't think we really saw this coming, and it was just really nice to be rewarded for all our hard work.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we were pretty set on being dead last, so going up there for first place was great.
Yeah, it feels good. I put in a lot of time, and I didn't think it was going to come out to any monetary value, and first place is more than acceptable for us. So.
Soybean products range from clothing protector to coffee creamer and even soy-inspired shoe soles. Also, a pharmaceutical excipient called soy tabs were developed by one ambitious team who came out as winners of the soybean part of the contest.
I was pretty excited, and it's something that I've been hoping for, but didn't want to get my hopes up too high, so it's fun that it finally happened. So.
Their efforts won each first-place team $20,000. Students from any major are welcome to participate. The Soybean and Corn Product Innovation Competition is sponsored each year by the Indiana Soybean Alliance and the Indiana Corn Marketing Council, thanks to the Agricultural and Biological Engineering Department as well as Food Science here at Purdue. Congratulations to all of these hardworking students for their top-notch performances at this year's competition.
All right, so what are you going to do with your award?
We're going to Disney World.
Make it rain.
I'm going to buy a new guitar amplifier and a round for these gentlemen at the bar.
From Indianapolis, I'm Eric Cerullo reporting for Fast Track.
When we come back, we'll have some tips on how to establish good credit and the local weather.
And the latest Health Minute tip right before you head out for spring break.
I promise what you will experience today is the real deal, Pilates. Okay, so hips are very square. Okay, nice deep inhales. Exhale, you're going to twist to your right knee. Twist to your right knee and lean forward. Really think about bringing the rib cage down toward the hip bones. Now the key is press your right hand into the floor.
Over the past century, Purdue has had a long tradition of successful graduates. There are some who have shown Boilermaker pride by leaving a lasting mark upon campus. Take the time to appreciate works of art that are a symbol of Purdue students who came before and helped shape the university. Hopefully, these landmarks will inspire visitors and current students for the next generation at Purdue to enjoy. You can learn more about these donated statues and monuments, as well as discover each year around campus new memorials dedicated to alumni.